we have a special package. Let's unwrap it. May I present to you the ribeye, the beautiful ribeye. Now I'm not going to eat it tonight, like just right now. I want you to look at just how beautiful that is. We've dropped the veil on this beauty. We're going to take care of a little bit of marination of love. A little Worcestershire. A little Crystal's hot sauce. It helps if you sing a little song with it. It will come out better. We're going to give it a little turn. Run it around. Give it another turn back. So what are we going to do with it? We've marinated it. It's had 2 days in the refrigerator with a little Worcestershire and a little bit of Crystal's hot sauce. We're going to give it a generous portion of salt. Salt, 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 salt. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. Okay, got some nice salt on there. We're going to use some garlic. Nice little layer of garlic. We're going to give it a round of ground pepper here. I think this has got several different types of pepper in it. We're going to give it a nice covering of pepper. And we have seasoned our steak. In a few minutes, we're going to put it on the grill. Grab this beautiful, beautiful steak. We're going to go season side down. Why are we doing that? Because we're going to come right behind it with salt. And we're going to make sure this side gets salted because this side was down in our little marinade pan. And we're going to be generous. Salt, salt. Everybody loves salt. Like potato chips. Okay, so we're going to go inside. We're going to set a timer for about 7 minutes. And then we're going to come check this baby in a little bit. Our 7-minute timer has gone off. Woo! Not quite in the same position. I did give him a little turn midway through, but that's what he looks like after 7 minutes. We're going to give it a flip. Oh, that's looking nice. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back in. We're going to set another 7-minute timer, and we're going to check him out then. 7-minute timer's gone off. We've got 14 minutes on the grill now. We're going to take a peek. Let's see how we look over here. Ooh, that's looking pretty good. So what we want to do is a little finger test here, see how soft it is. You know, it's bouncing back pretty good. This guy was most of 2 inches thick, so I think what we're going to do, just about another minute, it's going to need a little more than that. And we'll come back and check it in just a couple. Okay, we've given it a couple extra minutes, probably 2 to 3 minutes. We're going to open up and see what she looks like. Oh, yeah. Do some more little finger test here. Seems to be bouncing back pretty okay. We're hoping for a medium rare, but this is a real thick steak. But I think we should pull him. What do you think?
I think so.
Okay. Okay, he has one last job to do. Let's take him inside. Our friend the steak has made it in from the grill. Last little check here. I think it's going to be just fine. But he has one more job to do before he's going to be ready to join us at the dinner table, and that is to rest. He's worked hard today. He needs to rest for a few minutes. So we're going to set a timer for about 4 minutes and let this baby rest. Let it continue cooking. And then I think it'll be ready to cut in about 4 minutes. Okay, so we had set a timer for 4 minutes. Timer's gone off. It's time to cut our steak and see how we did. So what I'm going to do, one of the reasons we like a ribeye is because the rib is running here, and my wife loves the rib. She just loves that rib bone for some reason. So we're going to cut along here so that she gets a piece from that has the bone in it. So let's see how we did here. There we go. Turn that around and see how we did there. You can maybe see in the inside there. And I think that's what we call medium rare. That looks pretty good. I think we're going to be real happy with this steak and real glad that we bought it. So I'm going to do a little slicing, set the plates up, and we'll be ready to eat. We've prepared our plates. As you can see, we're definitely medium rare. We might have even touched into the rare category. Got a little half of a baked potato on there. We've got a nice salad we've made this evening. And we're about to sit down and enjoy another beautiful dinner in our home.